I'm back again with another video. What's good? I'm good. Hope you're good. Just going to cover a quick video, a couple of minutes, talking about the best way to basically find a solution to lose weight. Okay, so where do you start? How do you get started? And how do you continue your progress once you are started? Okay, so first things first, if you have a bit of understanding about how weight loss works, it's all about energy balance, okay? So the less energy you put in your mouth, aka food, and the more energy we expend through exercise or just day-to-day activities, that's going to put us in a calorie deficit, okay? So we're basically going to be eating less food than our body needs to maintain its weight. When we do that, our body then uses our fat stores as energy. Okay, there's a simple understanding of how it works. In regards to how do you get started, I'm going to tell you what I think is the easiest solution. Okay, so you've got to figure out what your maintenance calories are. Okay, how many calories you need to eat each day to maintain your weight. Okay, to keep your current body composition, how you're looking. Your how many calories you need to gain weight, so how many calories you need to actually put on weight, to put on muscle, and the opposite of that, how many calories you need to lose weight. Okay, so you've got maintenance, stay the same, you've got to gain weight, and you've got the third option, which is the opposite of that, and then to lose weight. Okay, how do you start? How do you find how many calories I need? That's what you're probably asking. So instead of putting up loads of wacky formulas on the screen now, what I'm going to do instead, nice and simple, is I'm going to link a calorie calculator down below in the description box, okay? All I used to do, and all I still do now, okay, although I don't do it anymore now because I know my body quite well, and I know how many calories roughly I need to maintain my weight. That's just through trial and error over the years. All you need to do is click on that link. It's going to ask you for a few details. What's your job? How active are you? All this stuff. How many steps you do maybe, and all this sort of stuff, okay? Your height, your current weight, etc. You're going to input those details into the calculator. Press calculate, it's going to ping you out a number. Let's say 2,500 calories to maintain your weight, okay? Or 2,700 calories to gain weight, or to lose weight, maybe 2,300 calories, okay? What do you do? Where do you start? Simply download MyFitnessPal, okay? Download MyFitnessPal, pick whatever goal you want to do. Do you want to gain weight? Do you want to maintain your weight? Or do you want to lose your weight, okay? Then simply input them calories. So if you want to maintain your weight, do what the calculator said. Try 2,500 calories. Put 2,500 calories into your food diary for MyFitnessPal, okay? And this is where people think it becomes religious, it becomes monotonous. Then you must track your food over the course of 7 to 14 days. If you can go longer, great, okay? Then you want to track your food. So over the course of 7 days, you want to be eating 2,500 calories, okay? Great, you're doing well, okay? You're building that habit of tracking your food. You're being more accountable of what you're eating. But then how do we actually measure our progress? Okay, this is where it becomes down to yourself to weigh yourself, okay? Weigh yourself every day, eating that specific number of calories, whether it's going to be 2,500 calories to maintain your weight or 2,700 calories to gain weight, okay? Eat that number of calories every day. Weigh yourself Monday through to Sunday, okay? End of the week, Sunday, once you've got your morning weigh-in on Sunday, add all the weigh-ins up, okay? You're going to get a number, divide that by 7, that's going to be your average weight over the course of those 7 days, okay? Okay, you got that? Then go again. Go for the second week. Okay? Do the exact same thing in the second week. The exact same protocol. Weigh yourself Monday through to Sunday. Come to Sunday, add all those weights up, and then divide them by 7. It's going to give you another reading, okay? Now, you've got to compare these two numbers now. So week 1, say you're 215 pounds on week 1. Okay? Week 2, you're 216 pounds. So that's showing over the course of those 2 weeks, you've gained 1 pound. Okay? Which is great if you want to gain weight. Let's say you want to maintain weight. Maybe that second week figure, that number, is pinging out at 215 again. Then you've maintained your weight, or 215.2. Okay? So it's all about becoming accountable and measuring your progress. So what I've always done, and I still do it now, is Monday through to Sunday, I'll measure myself. I'll weigh myself, sorry. I know it can sound a bit, you know, serious and a bit like it's quite a lot to do, but it's not, because it's making you accountable of where you're at in regards to your goals, and these are the steps you've got to take to know where you're at and to know, you know, if you're heading in the right direction or the wrong direction. So yeah, that's what you want to do. Use the calculator below, put in your details. It's going to ping you out a number. Then all it is then is just trial and error. It's following those calories for a certain amount of time. Obviously, the longer you can follow those calories, the more of an accurate representation of how your body responds and how your body reacts to those calories you're going to get, okay? So you can follow those calories for, like, I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks. Great, 4 weeks is great. We're going to take the average over the course of a week. So you know at week 1 I was weighing, I don't know, 210 pounds. Then by the end of week 4, I was weighing 213 pounds. That shows you've put on weight, okay? The opposite end of the scale, week 1 I was weighing 210 pounds. Week 4, oh right, 208 pounds. You're losing weight, okay? This, in my opinion, is the simplest method to do it, easiest way to do it. So yeah, that's all you need, guys. I'm going to leave the calculator below in my bio, in my description, in the description box, sorry. And yeah, anything else, give me a message on Instagram. All my socials are tagged down below as well, or just give me a message through YouTube if you can do that. But yeah, I hope that was nice and easy for you guys, and I will tune in next time with another video. Peace.